high wind warning in effect from 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. What? Southeast winds 25 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Southern inner channels, including the communities of Ketchikan, Metlakatla, Thorn Bay, and Annette. When? From 3 p.m. to 9 p.m. Alaska Standard Time Wednesday. Impacts. Damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Power outages are possible. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. Use caution if you must drive.